So these are ways to make money off the social media or internet. So guys, if you're there just wasting your data and not making money, hey, who does that?
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good whatever, whenever you're watching this video. If this is your first time seeing me, I am Naz, the girl that makes life easy for teenagers through this platform. So today I'm back again with another video. So from the title of the video, you can see we're about to talk about cash, like real money, real cash, no jokes, because money is one of the things that actually gives happiness. Yeah, I don't know if I'm overrating money, but okay, so this is basically for teenagers or students on how to make extra cash as someone in school and add to whichever money or like the pocket money you get from your parents or family and friends and all these things. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is having a YouTube channel. So in order to make extra cash as a teenager or as a youth or as a student, whichever one you are, you have to own a YouTube channel. I know it might sound weird. Actually, when I started a YouTube channel, I never knew YouTube pays. This is not my first channel. I had a channel before now which crashed some time ago. So but when I started during those lockdown period. I wasn't aware YouTube pay. I just started because I was so bored and I wanted to like just start off something. Like I wanted to just find something doing. Do you understand? That was why I started basically. But along the line, I found out that YouTube pay. I was like, oh wow, a lot of Africans don't even know YouTube pays. So I was like, okay, let me just continue doing that and try to be more consistent. So YouTube pays, but YouTube is not something that will just pay like as soon as you start. YouTube pays when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. So for you to get to this threshold now, you have to be consistent, you have to work hard for it. And in general, like all the tips, all the things I'm going to mention that are going to give you extra cash, all these things require work, but it's just that their work are not as tedious as the 9 to 5 work hour. Do you understand? Like it's something even if you're lazy you can do as well. So it's not something that is so tedious to do, but it still requires hard work. Do you understand? So you can create a YouTube channel. The next thing is that you can own an online business. Online business includes a thrift store. You can have a thrift store on Instagram. A lot of people, especially we in Africa, get thrift from online these days because there's no thrift shop or thrift store anywhere in the country. So you either go to the market or you shop online. Which me, I shop a lot of times online from thrift store vendors. So you can start a thrift store. You can sell hair online. I have a hair brand. You can sell shoes, sneakers, like there's a lot of things to actually sell online, but the basic thing is for you to just start an online business. It's going to help you a long way, and a lot of people might not trust you from the beginning because they possibly don't know who you are, but your consistency is going to make them trust you. Do you understand? So that's the second thing I'm going to talk about. Then the third one is to create a promotion page. Yeah, I know this one kind of sounds weird, but I want to bring it to your notice, like all those pages you see on Instagram, maybe like Instagram Slayers, Ansu Slayers, Lagos Slayers, this one Slayers, all those promotion page like you see, hype teams, there are a lot of them. All these pages are owned by someone, and all the people you see them posting, they paid for their promotion, like they're paid to be posted. Do you understand? So this is another way to make money. You can actually own page like that, like a promotion page, make it, get people to follow you and all that. Then people will start reaching out to you for you to just post them, and they'll pay you for you to post them. So this is another way to make real cash as a teenager in Africa or as a teenager in US or anywhere you are. So you can own a promotion page. There are not a promotion page. There are promotion page for creators like Instagram creators, YouTube creators. There are promotion page for fashion, like all these fashion whatever. There are promotion page for brands, like if you own a brand. There are promotion page for a lot of things. So you can own any type of promotion page you want. Then the fourth one is to use your Instagram account to influence for brands. So you can actually make money as a teenager just with your Instagram account. I know a lot of Instagram influencers and they make like real cash. I know a lot of people that they can't promote your item on Instagram without you paying them at least 100k, and it's like a way to make like wonderful amount of money. So but first of all, it still requires hard work, like consistency and all those things, so that your page will grow and brands can be able to trust you to send you items and pay you that you can now promote or influence for them. Do you understand? So that is another one. So you can use your Instagram account to make real cash. The fifth one is actually to own a blog. I don't know, a lot of people are into blog or blogging, not vlog, blogging. The blogging is the part of writing, like the way YouTube is a part of sitting down, doing a video, editing, finding a good song and all those things and posting. That's the way a blog is all about, getting an idea, typing it down, posting it for people to read. I know they actually make a lot of money from being a blogger. I'm really not good, I don't even know anything about the whole blogging thing, but I know that a whole lot of Africans and teenagers make a lot of money from being a blogger. I have someone presently in my lodge who makes a lot of money. Like when I say a lot of money, I'm talking about like 100k monthly from being a blogger. I'm just telling you the facts. Yeah, although sometimes it's not up to 100k, or sometimes it's not up to, like it drops sometimes, but like he makes real cash from being a blogger. But me, I'm not interested about that, but I'm just sharing the idea with you. So you can actually be a blogger and also make enough money as a Nigerian teenager or a teenager in any country where you are. So that's another idea. Have or sell an ebook. There's this recent trend right now of having an ebook. Ebook is it's not really like this is a book right now. You can, let's say this is a novel. This is my journal, it's not a novel, but let's assume this is a novel. You read the hard copy, then the ebook is the soft copy, whereby people write books. You have an idea on how to sell thrifts, then you can write everything you know about thrift and publish it as a book. That's an ebook, but it's online. People can download it or people can read it and then people can buy it and all those things. Do you understand? But people actually sell ebook. Let's say you want to write an ebook about how to sell a thrift or thrift items. You start with how to, like, the amount of money to start a thrift business with, how to source your thrift, or like where you buy your thrift, best places to get thrift from, how to put your price, your gain. Like you write everything about thrifting, you know, and definitely people are going to buy those books. People are going to read it because once you're writing something that is searchable, somebody must need that and they are going to buy it, they are going to patronize you. But it still requires what? Patience, because nothing good comes easy. That's just the fact. So you have to put in the hard work and be consistent and have patience, because definitely it's going to give you cash, but not as fast as you think, but it's going to give you real cash someday. Another one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is mostly done by YouTubers or influencers or brand ambassadors. Affiliate marketing is a situation whereby a brand contacts you and you market their product, or you tell people about their product, and after telling people about their product, people get this product. And let's say Zaron contacts me and I am in affiliation with them. So let's say Zaron contacts me and I'm affiliating for them. So what I'm going to do basically is to tell my followers or my subscribers on YouTube about Zaron, and I'm going to put a link to the brand. So in a situation whereby you can buy things from this brand, but maybe I get 10% of the money. Do you understand now? Like you get things from this brand and this brand pays me some of the money. Like it doesn't add, like it doesn't make your what you want to buy to be more expensive, but I still get some money from the amount you paid. Okay, so after the affiliate market, you can now talk about selling DIY. Like you can DIY things I know in my year one I DIY'd ring light because I didn't have a ring light, so I DIY'd soft box because I went to YouTube. I saw videos on how to make a DIY soft box, and I actually tried it, and guess what? I made a soft box. Like, I was using it to film my videos because it was giving me light. There was no difference between the normal soft box and the one I DIY'd. Like, it was just the same. It's just that to make that one stand, you have to set it up, keep it close to the wall, and all those little stress. But it was giving me light. It was making my videos bright. Do you understand? So you can actually DIY a lot of things. I know of a girl who DIYs a bulb, not just the normal bulb, all these very fancy beautiful bulbs, and she sells it. Like, I even asked her price. She told me that one is 15k. Like all these charm jalene and whatever, I don't know what it's called, but all those very big lights that they sell maybe for 30 something thousand, she does it and sells it for 15k, so of you buying the real one for 30 something thousand. So these are things you can do. I know of another person who does wall frame, like all these wall frame. She DIYs it and she sells it for like 225 each one. Do you understand? So these are a lot of things you can do. So you can make a lot of things through DIY and sell it to people. Please, if you make anyone, just hit me up on Instagram. I'm definitely gonna patronize you. That's just the truth. So DIY a lot of things. People don't have time, but they have their money to buy, and once you do it well, people are gonna trust you and patronize you. That's just the truth. But once you do it like so unkept and unarranged, people might not patronize. So whatever worth doing well, so just do it very well and people are definitely gonna buy. Then another one is to create a preset. This is another way a lot of people do that. Then one of the last one I'm going to be saying is to organize online classes. Whatever you are good at, let's say you're very good at editing or you're very good at maybe filming a video, creating content, why not teach other people? I guess people are ready to learn. Do you understand? So make out time, teach them. I know someone like Kamsi does like online classes in every three months, like interval of three months, and for each class the pay is like 10k. You pay 10k to attend an online class. That's the, like, imagine how many people registers and how much you can make from that online class. That's the that a lot of people are ready to learn. But the major thing is that, do you have anything to convince them that you know what you're about to teach or what you're about to tell them? Do you understand? So there are a lot of online business. Like right now, I've mentioned up to 9 or 10 ways to make extra cash as a student or as a teenager. I hope you're not sleeping on these tips, girl. So the first one is create a YouTube channel. We're gonna make money out of this. Create a YouTube channel, have an online business, use your IG account to influence for business or brands, own a promotion page, own a blog. You can have a blog, then you can write and sell ebooks, you can sell DIY products, you can sell presets, and you can organize online classes. So these are ways. Affiliating marketing is true. So these are ways to make money off the social media or internet. So guys, if you're there just wasting your data and not making money, hey, who does that? So guys, start trying to make money off your data. You cannot just be wasting your data looking at people every day. It's not nice. So guys, if you got to this point, I love you so much and thank you for watching. Bye.
About the days when we were young, I'll take the hit and still finish and